Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at this awesome Forest River Salem Cruise Lite. It's a 191 RDXL model. It's a 2018. It's slightly pre-owned. It's in great shape. It shows like new. It's got the bigger propane tanks. It does have the nice power tongue jack here. It's got a great pass-through storage over here. Outdoor shower, all your hookups are over here. It's on a double axle. If you look down in there, it's got a pretty decent storage. Got it opened up all the way so you can see everything through there. Let's go around the other side here. This one does have power stabilization jacks. And it's got a nice little solid step entry. Outdoor power awning, 2 outdoor speakers. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, as you come in, you got your bed, of course. You got a nice closet. You got some hooks up here. There's a nice little curtain for some privacy, which is nice. Your bathroom's right here. You got a nice toilet, tub shower, little medicine cabinet. Nice skylight in there for the tall guys to fit. You've got decent counter space, a nice big double sink, nice upgraded faucet. Cool little oven, 3-burner cooktop with a little backsplash here, which is nice. Nice stainless steel appliances. Now what's cool about this little unit, it's got the little booth dinette and a couch in here. Now there's no slide in here, but it seems kind of roomy, so it's nice for when you're at the campground and you get a bad day, or at night everyone wants to play cards and hang out in here. Nice big windows, great little blinds in here, blackout blinds. Lots of storage, just a nice little unit overall. Folks, if you're interested in this pre-owned unit or any other unit here at Guaranty RV, please give me, Big Sal, a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.